Good day, students, and welcome again to another tutorial video. I hope you are all safe and secured. Before we start, our topic for today is what is management. So I would like to greet and shout out to the following higher education institute schools: De La Salle University, Dasmariñas Informatics College, University of Perpetual Health Molino, Las Piñas National High School, St. Matthew Academy Cavite, Senior High School, CAA Campus, St. Francis of Assisi College, Lyceum of Alabang Muntinlupa National High School, Annex and Main, Malayan College, Laguna, Institute of Trade and Technology, Las Piñas Senator Renato Cayetano Memorial, Science Technological High School, and Brent International School. Good day to all of you. So management is simply, in layman's, we will define it. But before we start, the learning outcomes for this tutorial video is that students will be able to comprehend the definition in layman's term, what is management, and the basic concept and principles of management. So let's start. So the simple definition of management, or man, manage, men. So in other words, in corporate organizations, we have different hierarchy. There is top management, there is middle management, and there is lower management. And it represents that in every functional department, there should be a person or an individual to lead the group. So management is really an art and science, simply because it is an art because you are doing it, and it is science because there are concepts and principles on how you motivate people. So in other words, this person or individual who is in charge of the group, there is an objective, that is to deliver the desired result. In order for you to deliver the desired result or output of your functional department, you will need the help of the team. So you have to make ways to motivate them. You have to think tank management tools that you can attain the desired result, like multitasking, empowerment, creating a knowledgeable workforce. Why? Because you want to motivate the group to achieve the desired result of your department. And that is a simple definition of management in layman's term. Man, manage, men. Again, I would like to emphasize that there is top management, there is middle management, and there is the low or bottom management. So whatever category you may be, there is a specific person or individual handling and managing the group. Again, management is a science because there are a lot of theories and principles of how you motivate the group. There is Abraham Maslow hierarchy of needs. There is theory X, theory Y, and many more. We have different management activities, and the acronym is BLOCK. We have planning, we have leading, organizing, and controlling. So whatever word we couple with the word management, if this is facilities management, accounting management, sales and marketing management, environmental management, inventory management, whatever word we couple with management, you are doing these following activities. However, you plan, you plan the things, no? Whether you are doing a strategic planning, tactical planning, or operational planning. You plan, if you are in inventory management, you plan things, no? Like input of resources, how you are going to fill up the buffer stock, whatever. If you are in financial management, you plan, no? Ahead of time so that you can deliver the income statement, the profit and gain loss, or these financial statements on time. You lead the people so that they are fully motivated, empowered. They know what they are doing, especially the development of their skills. Organizing, you organize your input of resources like men, equipment, materials, methods, and you monitor and evaluate, no? Whether the implementation of the plan is being followed. So that ends up my tutorial video. Thank you very much for listening and watching. Keep safe, everyone.